students, my today's topic Euclid geometry. It is ninth class topic, chapter number 5. So let us start Euclid geometry. First we write down some definitions. We write down definition of axioms. The basic facts which are taken for granted without any proof, or we can say we accept directly. It is called axioms. Then we write down statement. A sentence which can be adjudged as true or false is called statement. If we can say for answering the any questions, we can say that true or false. We are taking one of the choice, that is answer be the true or false. It is a statement. And theorems. A statement that required a proof. एक ऐसी स्टेटमेंट जो प्रूफ की आवश्यकता हो, वी आर रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रूफ, इट इज कॉल्ड थ्योरम्स एंड corollaries. A statement whose truth can be easily deduced by a theorem. It is corollaries. I repeat, axioms, the basic facts which are taken for granted without any proof. Statement, a statement which can be adjudged as true or false. Theorem, a statement that required a proof. And corollary is a statement whose truth can be easily deduced by theorems. So student, write down these four, you learn it. And next, Euclid's axioms. First we write down some other definition, that is a point. It is that which has no part, line. It has breadthless length. These definitions are given by Euclid. And ends of line, that is a point. Straight line, it is the part of line it is a part of line which the points which lies evenly with the points on itself surface. It is has length and breadth only. Point surface it is a surface which lies evenly with the straight line itself. At last, given with some homework, students learn these definitions. I am also write down in next period some definitions. So you learn it. Thanks a lot.